We had 2 doors side by side. And one door has a deadbolt, and then one door does not have anything there in our lock, right? It's a blank hole. So at the beginning, Alex wants to show that we can kick through a door with a deadbolt in about 6 kicks. And every time we had tried this, every time that we had rehearsed this, he could always do it in 6 kicks. And what we didn't know was that when we set that set down on the stage, a flat surface on top of a flat surface, when he went to kick, it kind of added the friction or the force was not it wasn't anchored to anything. So like when we did it in the warehouse in Nashville, we anchored it to a pylon that held the building on. So every time we kick it, it wouldn't move.
You had a really solid brace for the door.
Right.
Yeah.
But then when you take out that brace, it just
it absorbs the impact a lot better.
Right.
Yeah. I was thinking actually the door might have gotten jammed against the frame or something.
No, it was just a hard lesson learned in physics. And when it took him more than 6 kicks, that's when they started laughing. Alex got more determined. Then the pitch goes off the rails.
What was, again, I have to imagine at that point you're thinking to yourself, oh crap, are you kidding me? How many times have we done this? It's gone perfectly every single time. Why now? Really?
Yeah, I didn't really have time or thought to dissect it as to why. I was just thinking, get to the next checkpoint. And if you go back and watch the show, you'll kind of say, Alex, come on here, let's finish up the pitch, right? Like we can still finish up and talk about the things that we've done. And it was the later part of that pitch. But God, Alex kept kicking the door.
He was so out of breath.
He did not give up, and he finally got through that door, and the Sharks just stood up, and
it was a great
standing
moment.
ovation, great moment. He went flying, went vertical, and he came out. He gave me a hug. I hugged him, and then we have to kind of switch gears and get serious.